Hi guys, it's Brian with RentalTrax. Just making a video here to show you how uh, to change the language on your layouts and there's three areas really that everything that goes to the client. So we want to change the pieces of paper and the communications that go to the client into Japanese. So the first one I'll show you is the layout. So we're going to go to Settings, Layout, Order Layout. Once you're in here, you've got to go through the layout types, internal customer, invoice, and credit note, because you're going to need to change them all. So wherever you have writing over here, you can see in the preview, we want to change what is being said there. So I can see where it says client, customer, company. What I want to do is click on this pencil beside the X. And I can see over here on the right hand side it says I've got the bold tag and it's a dynamic field for customer company. You don't want to change that because all that's doing is pulling the customer's company information, which if you put it into the customer's file under customers, new customer as a Japanese character, then it will show up fine. But what you do have to change is over here on the left where it says name, it says client. If it says yes to show this field name, then that's got to be changed. So you've got to transfer that and translate that into Japanese. And you got to go through and do that for all of the different pieces in here. Okay, so that will change everything on here. The dynamic fields can stay in English because that's not going to show for the client anyway, but you've got to change the other words. Like, once again, if I look at the D&C, you've got your font tags and everything, but you do need to change delivery and collection into Japanese. Okay? The next thing you got to do is go to product display because we need to also change the titles that are showing in here. So if it says product name, I can just click and highlight that and translate that as well and change it to Japanese. So we're going to change everything on there. Once again, dynamic fields can stay as they are in English, but we need to have the others turn into Japanese. The other things you got to change are your condition templates. So if I go to condition templates under settings, click on condition 2, you're going to need to translate this into Japanese as well. This is going to be something that's going to your client, so we want to translate that. And then the last thing is your emails. So you've got to go through and change all of your emails to Japanese as well. And it is a bit of a time-consuming process, and it is step-by-step. However, that's the only way to do it so that we have English usage for you guys and Japanese characters going to your clients so that they can see that. Any other areas where you can see English or Japanese going towards that you want the Japanese side towards the client, you're going to play with it a little bit. You're going to see some English pop up. You're just going to edit it in those key areas. Just send me a list of areas where you're seeing it show up if you are confused, and I'll try and help you find out where to translate those. But that's the best way to get started. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, bm@rentaltrax.com, and I will definitely help. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.